In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Instagram profile. We'll go through the process step by step. So by the end, your profile will look more polished, more personal, and better aligned with how you want to present yourself or your brand. First, open your browser and go to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to customize. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Instagram home dashboard. This is the main feed where you see posts from accounts you follow, along with stories and suggestions. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the column with icons and labels, find the one that says Profile. Click on that. This will take you to your own profile page where you can see your posts, your follower and following counts, and your current bio information. On your profile page, look for the button that says Edit Profile. It's usually right near your username and profile picture. Click on Edit Profile to open up all the settings you can customize. At the top of this edit page, you'll see your profile picture. Next to it, there's an option that says Change Photo. Click on that if you want to add a profile photo for the first time or update the one you already have. You can upload a clear, high-quality image from your device. Ideally, choose a picture where your face or your logo is easy to recognize, since this is what people will see first when they discover your account. Next, move down to the website field. Click into this box to add your website URL if you have one. This could be a personal site, a portfolio, a store, or a link page. Double check that the link is correct, starting with HTTPS if needed, so that visitors can click through without any issues. Below that, you'll see the bio section. Click into the bio box to add or change your description. Use this space to briefly explain who you are, what you do, or what people can expect from your content. Keep it short, clear, and in your own voice. Further down, you'll find a drop-down menu for gender. Click on the gender drop-down to specify or change your gender according to your preference. You can also choose options that control how this information is displayed. You'll also see a toggle related to account suggestions on profiles. Click on this toggle to decide whether you want Instagram to show your account as a suggestion on other people's profiles and whether you want to see similar suggestions. Turning this on can sometimes help with discoverability. Turning it off keeps things a bit more limited. Once you've made all your changes and you're happy with how everything looks, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Submit. This saves your updates and applies them to your live profile. After that, go back to your profile page to quickly review everything. Make sure your photo looks sharp, your link works, and your bio reads the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Instagram profile.